Imagine saving money every time you shop. That's the power of cashback credit cards. These cards reward you for your everyday spending. You earn a percentage back on your purchases. It's like getting a discount every time you swipe. In this essay, we'll explore the world of cashback credit cards. We'll cover the different types of cards available. You'll learn how to maximize your rewards. We'll also discuss potential pitfalls to avoid. By the end, you'll be a cashback master. You'll be ready to start earning money back on your spending. Get ready to make your money work harder for you. Cashback cards are a great way to save, but remember to use them responsibly. Avoid overspending to chase rewards. Let's dive in and discover the world of cashback. Cashback credit cards are simple to understand. You use the card for purchases and you earn a percentage back. This cashback is usually credited to your account. You can then redeem it for statement credits, gift cards, or even cash. Think of it as a rebate on your spending. The more you use the card, the more cash back you earn. It's a win-win situation. You get the things you need and save money at the same time. But it's important to remember to use credit cards responsibly. Always pay your balance in full each month. This way, you avoid interest charges and maximize your savings. Cashback cards are a powerful tool for saving. Use them wisely, and you'll be surprised how much you can earn back. There are different types of cashback cards to choose from. Some offer a flat rate of cashback on all purchases. Others offer higher rates in specific categories like gas or groceries. Knowing your spending habits is key to picking the right card. If you spend a lot on groceries, a card with bonus cashback at supermarkets is a good choice. If you're a frequent traveler, a card with travel rewards might be better. Take some time to compare different cards and their benefits. Find one that aligns with your spending patterns. This will help you maximize your cashback earnings. Remember, the best cashback card for you depends on your individual needs and spending habits. Choose wisely and watch your savings grow. To truly maximize your cashback, consider these strategies. First, use your card for as many purchases as possible. This includes everyday expenses like gas, groceries, and utilities. Second, take advantage of bonus categories. If your card offers 5% back on dining, make sure to use it when eating out. These bonus categories can significantly boost your cashback earnings. Third, look for cards with sign-up bonuses. Many cards offer a lump sum of cashback after you spend a certain amount within the first few months. This can give your earnings a nice initial boost. By implementing these strategies, you can turn your everyday spending into cashback rewards. Remember, every little bit adds up. Real-life rewards. Cashback in action. Let's look at a real-life example. Imagine you have a cashback card that offers 1% back on all purchases and 3% back on groceries. You spend $500 per month on groceries and $500 on other expenses. With this card, you'd earn $15 in cashback from groceries. That's 3% of $500, and $5 from other purchases, 1% of $500. That's a total of $20 in cashback each month, or $240 per year. This is just a simple example. Your actual earnings will vary depending on your spending habits and the card you choose. But it illustrates how cashback can add up over time. Even small amounts of cashback can make a difference. It's like getting paid to shop. Pitfalls to avoid. Using cashback cards wisely. While cashback cards offer great benefits, there are pitfalls to avoid. First and foremost, don't overspend to chase rewards. Only spend what you can afford to repay in full each month. Second, be mindful of interest rates. If you carry a balance, the interest charges will quickly outweigh any cashback you earn. Pay your balance on time and in full to avoid interest charges. Third, read the fine print. Understand the card's terms and conditions, including fees and rewards redemption options. This will help you avoid any surprises and maximize your cashback potential. By using your cashback card responsibly, you can enjoy the rewards without falling into debt. Remember, it's about saving money, not spending more. The power of compounding growing your cashback. One of the best things about cashback is the power of compounding. You can redeem your cashback for statement credits, reducing your balance and interest charges. This, in turn, allows you to earn even more cashback in the future. It's a virtuous cycle of saving. By consistently using your cashback card and paying it off in full, you can accelerate your savings over time. Think of it like a snowball effect. The more you save, the faster your savings will grow. Cashback can be a powerful tool for building wealth over the long term. Remember, every dollar you save is a dollar earned. Start maximizing your cashback today and watch your savings snowball. Choosing the right card factors to consider. When choosing a cashback credit card, consider these factors. First, think about your spending habits. Do you spend more on groceries, gas, or travel? Choose a card that offers bonus cashback in your most frequent spending categories. Second, compare cashback rates and fees. Look for cards with high cashback rates and low or no annual fees. This will help you maximize your earnings. Third, consider the card's other benefits. Some cards offer perks like travel insurance, purchase protection, or extended warranties. These benefits can add value beyond the cashback rewards. By carefully considering these factors, you can choose a cashback card that meets your needs and helps you achieve your financial goals. Cashback versus other rewards, weighing your options. Cashback cards aren't the only type of rewards card. Travel rewards cards and points cards are also popular options. Each type of card has its own advantages and disadvantages. Cashback cards offer straightforward rewards that are easy to redeem. Travel rewards cards can provide valuable perks for frequent travelers. Points cards offer flexibility in how you redeem your rewards. The best type of rewards card for you depends on your individual needs and preferences. If you prefer simplicity and flexibility, a cashback card is a great option. Consider your spending habits and lifestyle when choosing a rewards card. Select the card that aligns best with your financial goals. Take control of your spending. Reap the rewards. Cashback credit cards can be a powerful tool for saving money on your everyday purchases. By understanding the different types of cards, maximizing your rewards, and using your card responsibly, you can turn your spending into savings. Remember to choose a card that aligns with your spending habits and offers valuable benefits. Pay your balance in full and on time to avoid interest charges. With a little planning and discipline, you can reap the rewards of cashback and achieve your financial goals. Start maximizing your cashback today and watch your savings grow. And there you have it. Please remember to subscribe for more videos on how to save money, how to make money, budget, and invest. We have something for everybody. Lastly, don't forget to hit the bell button to let YouTube notify you when we upload a new video. You do not want to miss anything, and we are constantly uploading new information. Stay tuned and happy savings.